I am really leery when I travel, and I'm afraid I'm gonna bring home some little critters that I didn't want in my suitcase or attached to my suitcase, my luggage, my clothes. So I got a sample from the company of this bed bug killer spray. It is also good for ticks, fleas, dust mites. It kills the eggs, the nymphs, you know, all the different life cycles. The active ingredient in this is castor oil. So this is a foam spray, and it says you can spray this on your laundry, inside your washer, your dryer, beds, around your molding, carpet, any place that you think that bed bugs may be hiding. I would spray down, like if you had a serious bed bug problem, you're going to want an exterminator. But if you are doing this as a preventative measure and you want to spray down your luggage before you bring it in your house, I think that this is a really good alternative. Now let's see how this smells, because that's what's going to do it for me. This is just about odorless. It's a very, very, very faint. Like there's no strong smell at all. It's a little tiny bit, I'm gonna say a little bit oily. It has glycerin in it. So, you know, it's a little tiny bit oily, not super oily though. If you wanted to use this as a preventative, or as, you know, like after the exterminator comes in to just kind of follow up, I think that this is a good alternative and a good to give it a try. It says it's safe for kids and pets, so there's no chemicals in here.